Okay, listen. Listen to me. Grandma wrote you a letter. Okay? Okay? I'm going to read it to you. It says, she wrote it on September 4th, 1914. So she wrote it 100 years ago. So that's pretty cool, huh? Grandma wrote you a letter 100 years ago. Silly grandma. I say, okay. It says, Dear Mason, how are you? Grandma and Papa misses you. Come visit us as soon as you can. And zip it. Yeah. And then it says, Dear Maddie, how are you? We miss you too. Please write to us and tell us what you want Santa to bring you and Mason. And you zip it. I love you both. Grandma. Yeah. Say, I love you, Grandma.
I love you, Grandma.
Mason. You tell Grandma you love her? I love you, Grandma. I love you. Say, I love you, Grandma.
I love you.
I love you, Papa.
I love you, Papa.
Okay. Say thank you for the letter.
Thank you for the letter.
Okay. Mason, say thank you for the letter. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Papa and Grandma.
Sweet.
And Tata. Bye-bye, Tata.
Bye-bye.